Hi everybody. Today I will teach you how to format your text. But first and before formatting, we need to learn how to select the text. Why? Because anything that I will choose will be applied on the selected text only. So, selection before choosing the formatting is very important. How to select a text. Before I start this file, you will find it in the first comment below this video. Download it first to be able to practice with me. Pause the video and practice every step with me. To select a text, you can simply go with the mouse, click and hold the left key of the mouse and move over the text. As you can see, it can be selected. If you need to select a line, you can put or point to the line from the left side. Once you get this white arrow, just click and then the line will be selected. Again, here, you can click and hold and move on the other lines. If you need to select a single word, you can just double click it by the left key of the mouse. If you need to select a paragraph, just triple click it. So now I will select this title, which is exercise 1. And to format this title, what is the meaning of formatting? Formatting is to apply a special formatting or a special edits to the text, like the style of the writing, the color, the size, and many others. So I select the text that I need to format. I need only to format the title for now. And here from Home tab, there is a group called Font. Font means letter, so this will format the text. This drop-down menu is the font style. From here, you can choose whatever the font size you need to apply. Once you point to any font type, you can see it's a preview on the text. I will choose Arial Black, for example. You have a bunch of text styles. You can choose whatever you like. And this is the font size. From here, you can decrease the font size or increase it. I will choose 20. These two are the same as this. These are font size, but this is increase font. With each click, you can increase the font by 2 points. And this is decrease font. With each click, it will decrease the font with 2 points. This is bold, will make the text bold. Italic will make it angled or italic. And this is underline, will underline the text. Notice that when I go just point to any tool, to any option, you will get its name in a tooltip. For these 3 buttons, they are toggle buttons, which can be on or off. Now they are on. If you need to remove the bold, you can just click the bold again. The bold will be removed. Italic, underline. So these are toggle buttons. One click will make them on, another click will make them off. If you see any button with this small arrow, it means that there are some more options in here. Once you click this small drop down menu, you can see many other underline styles. You can choose one of them. I will choose a double line and I will go back. From here, I can see the underline color. to color the underline. I will choose the red. I will select it again. I hope you are practicing now with me. And this is the font color. So from here you can, from the drop down menu, once you click it, you will see the palette, the color palette with bunch of colors. When you point to any color, you can see it in the preview. I will go with the blue color. I will apply some more formatting on the first paragraph, so I will select it. I will do the same from here. I can choose the font type. The size, and I will make it bold. I will change the color to this color, but I don't like this bold. I will turn it off. This is a highlighter color, like the highlighter that we use to highlight some text. How it works? You can select the text that you need to highlight. For example, I need to highlight this text. I will select it, and if you click directly on the tool, you will get the color that you can see here, which is the yellow color. If you need to see more highlighting color, just go to the menu, the drop down menu, and you can see many highlighted color. If you need to remove the highlighted, if you need to remove the highlighter color, just select the highlighted text and go back to the drop down palette from the highlighter and then choose no color. If you go to the highlighter color and you double click, if you double click any color, you can see, can you see this brush, this highlighter? And once you select any text, it will highlight it. You don't need to go to the tool many times. Once you double click the color, the tool will move with you until you finish. But as the mouse has the same icon as the highlighter, it means that is on. If I finished, what should I do? You can just go back and click it once. Now you couldn't see the highlighter anymore, or you can just press escape from the keyboard. Let's go back from here. I will select the title, and here there is text effects. In the text effects, we can see more text effects. Click on the drop down menu and you can see preset styles. You can choose one of them. Let's choose this, as you can see. I will go back, select and go back to text effect. Beside these preset options, I can apply many other options. Like the outline, this will add an outline color to my text. I'll choose to add a black outline color. Now you can see that the outline is black and the inside color or the fill color is purple. I will increase the size so you can see it more clear. I will go back to the text effects, and If you need to remove the outline, you can simply go back to outline and choose no outline. And here we go. Select from here again shadow if you need to add a shadow to your text. If you notice, everyone has its no. For example, the shadow. The first option is no shadow, which means if it has a shadow before, if you applied a shadow before to your text, you can remove the shadow from no shadow. But now I need to add a shadow. You can choose any of these shadow styles. I will choose this. You can see the shadow now. Again, from text effects, reflection is a reflection. Remember that the style I've chosen has already have a reflection. So if I want to remove the reflection, I will go to the reflection and choose no reflection. Now the reflection has gone. Or I can go back and choose reflection and I can apply the reflection that I need. Glue, this will apply a glue around the text. And we have different glue colors and different glue size. As moving from top to down, the size of the glue is increased. I will choose this glue and that's it. That's all for today. But before we go, we need to save this file to work on it later. You can just click save to save the new effects that I have applied. Thank you guys. I will see you next video.